Mastering Emotions: 8 Stoic Strategies for Emotional Resilience. Imagine being swept away by a tidal wave of emotions, feeling overwhelmed and powerless in their wake. Now, picture a path to emotional resilience paved with Stoic wisdom. Let's embark on this journey together. In the turbulent sea of emotions, Stoicism stands as a beacon of strength and clarity. It offers powerful tools to navigate the highs and lows of life with grace and resilience. Today, we'll explore 8 Stoic strategies to cultivate emotional tranquility in the face of adversity. Number 1. Embrace rationality over emotion. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate a rational mindset, free from the sway of fleeting emotions. By viewing situations objectively, we can respond with clarity and purpose. Number 2. Practice detachment from outcomes. Let go of attachment to outcomes beyond your control. Focus on your actions and intentions rather than external circumstances, freeing yourself from the grip of anxiety and fear. Number 3. Accept impermanence. Recognize the transient nature of emotions and experiences. By embracing impermanence, we release the need for constant validation or resistance, finding peace in the ebb and flow of life. Number 4. Cultivate indifference to pleasure and pain. Stoicism advocates for equanimity in the face of pleasure and pain. By detaching from fleeting sensations, we transcend the roller coaster of emotions and find inner stability. Number 5. Develop resilience through adversity. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Stoicism teaches us to welcome adversity with open arms, knowing that it forges the steel of our character. Number 6. Practice self-discipline. Harness the power of self-discipline to master your emotions. By cultivating habits of self-control and restraint, you empower yourself to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Number 7. Cultivate gratitude. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Stoicism encourages us to cultivate gratitude for the present moment and the blessings in our lives, fostering a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Number 8. Embrace the present moment. Let go of regrets about the past and anxieties about the future. Stoicism teaches us to anchor ourselves in the present moment, where true peace and contentment reside. Among these 8 Stoic rules, perhaps the most impactful is the practice of detachment from outcomes. By relinquishing attachment to external events, we free ourselves from the roller coaster of emotions driven by success or failure. Instead, we find serenity in the knowledge that our worth is inherent, independent of external validation. Each Stoic rule builds upon the others, creating a solid foundation of emotional resilience. By embracing rationality, detachment, acceptance, indifference, resilience, discipline, gratitude, and presence, we cultivate inner strength and tranquility amidst life's storms. In conclusion, adopting these Stoic strategies in our daily lives offers profound benefits. By mastering our emotions, we unlock a newfound sense of clarity, purpose, and resilience. Let Stoicism be your guiding light on the path to emotional tranquility and fulfillment. I invite you to explore more Stoic principles by watching another video on our channel. Share your thoughts and experiences with Stoicism and emotional resilience in the comments below. Together, let's embark on a journey of growth and self-discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mastering the art of living.